hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal, that they are endowed by their creators with certain inalienable rights, that among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Good morning.
There is a tremendous opportunity still, even now.
One of the reasons small businesses fail is because they really don't understand the basics of government contracting and corporate contracting. The Humanizing Government Contracting Summit changes all of that.
This was an amazing summit today. What you had is people engaging, wanting to know more about how to get into government contracting, but also figuring out how they can expand, become part of an ecosystem. And that's part of the solutions that we were even offering today with the level of connectivity that we had throughout this conference. It was an amazing experience.